Please don't go in my room. Dad, there's a lot of stuff in here that you have no right to touch.
Shit.
All right?
Where's the video games?
You shredded them all. What do you mean? Where are the video games?
Where are the video games?
I don't have any.
You're in here 24/7. You're
No,
and you lay in your room.
Yeah, I sleep and I watch TV. I don't play.
Video games?
I don't play anymore. I don't. You
Where are
destroyed
they?
them.
Where's
You
the video
destroyed
games?
them all.
Well, actually, a lot of them are digital now, so they
Are
might
you
go into
kidding
Xbox.
me?
So where are they?
He's lying. He's just trying to get good video.
Where are they?
He's just
His
trying to
Xbox is right there.
Jeffrey, don't touch that! That's the Xbox One, Dad! Don't touch that shit! Dad! What the fuck are you, Dad! What the fuck are you doing? Dad?
It's Xbox.
You're not touching this! You're not!
Get away, put it back.
What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you, Dad!
You cut through a plastic thing.
It's not even something! There's plastic everywhere! Get the fuck out of here! You think that's funny? Do you think that's funny? What he did? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad!
Oh, shit.
Dad!
Holy shit!
God! Why? Fuck!
Holy
Violent
shit!
video game.
Holy shit!
Master Chief Collection! It's the only way I'm gonna learn!
You can't teach non-violence with violence!
That's because I have to because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games!
Oh, where did he go? What the hell? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy!
Get the fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
No. Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not gonna be able to play! It's not funny.
It's just a game.
Please!
Alright, it's off, it's off.
Turn it off. Please, turn it off.
It's off, man. It's okay.